In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I was able to blow up one of my law firms to over $10 million in less than 2 years. Alright, so today's video is very revealing because I'm giving you away my 3 secrets of how I was able to blow one of my law firms to over 8 figures. Which for me, even to think about 8 figures in 2 years kind of blows my own mind. But you know what? Because you're here, I'm gonna give you my secrets. Number 1 is I was able to do it with paid ads. I learned how to use paid ads to my advantage. These are platforms like Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and YouTube ads that I was able to learn exactly how to be able to use it to my advantage to get my prospects' attention. And because I was able to do that effectively and also have a good grasp of my numbers and tracking, I was able to kind of leverage it to continuously spend more and make more and generate more clients, and also make more from generating the clients, and continuously doing that every single month to be able to scale it up very effectively. So number 1, again, paid ads. Number 2 was clear messaging about the problems that my prospects were having. When I started out, I noticed early on my competitors were talking about what type of lawyer that they are and what they do. And I realized that was a mistake, because instead I realized that my prospects only care about one thing only. What problem do they have? So I was able to clearly define exactly what problem they have in very layman language, in very easy language that they can understand, and I kind of dumbed it down for them. And from that, I was able to really speak to them very directly, say, hey, if you have this problem, this is something that we could definitely help you with, and it kind of explained the result that they could get without telling them exactly what we do. So that really honing in on the specific problem was also really key. Number 3 is kind of multi-parts, was able to pre-qualify our leads. That means as the lead came in, we would ask 4 qualifying questions, very specific questions that were again asked in very layman language, exactly what problems that they have. And while we were doing that, there's 2 parts to why we did that. One is it puts the prospects into the right frame of mindset that, hey, you have this problem. So the questions were about the problem. And then second is it actually helps our intakers, our dedicated intakers, when they get the leads, right away, they kind of qualify who are the people that actually are qualified for this legal issue, and pretty much contact those people. So much so that through automations, we're able to actually automatically, if they answer a certain way, if they don't qualify, they don't even go into our systems, and we basically just give a message saying, hey, you don't qualify. But the ones that did qualify, they would get added to our CRM, which also leads to we're able to have dedicated intakers. That's another crucial part. We don't have people that do signing up clients and do other things. No, we have people that are dedicated to just signing up clients. These are called dedicated intakers that are just assigned to doing that. We were able to scale that up to at this point, we're over 30 intakers for this law firm through teams and management and incentives and all the different ways that we actually teach inside of our program. And that it is really scale up for us. Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video. Other thing we've been able to do is we've been able to set up automated texts to make sure that as soon as the lead comes in, they get a text right away, so that we use these texts to get them on the phone, and that really also has done us wonders. And the last part is we call the leads right away. We know how crucial it is to be able to call these leads. So we have all these automation systems set up, so we automatically text the leads. They also automatically receive emails from us so that we're able to get in contact with them right away. All right, so just a quick little recap. We use paid ads to effectively place ourselves in front of our prospects. We use clear messaging to be able to talk about the specific problems that they had. Also, we pre-qualified our leads, gave them to our dedicated intakers, we send them automated texts, and we call up the leads right away. And then I'm gonna add actually one more to this, is that we did things differently. Okay, it's very important that to be a contrarian when you are doing marketing. If everybody's doing this, then you wanna do other things differently. You may have noticed that there's a backwards little teddy bear behind me, and that's what it takes. You know, have contrarian kind of mentality, be strategic, and be smart. And these are exactly the kind of things that we talk about inside of our program in detail. We mastermind behind these kind of concepts. I share exactly how I do this. So if you want more information about kind of how to actually put this into practice, there'll be a link to it right below for you to be able to book a time to speak to me or my team, so we can tell you more about our program of how we help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it, go watch it.